Welcome back to ShopTalk. This week's topic, creating a strong online presence for your auto repair shop. In today's digital era, having a strong online presence is essential for your auto repair shop. A well-designed and optimized website can attract new customers, highlight your expertise, and boost your business. In today's video, we discuss key tips for creating a strong online presence for your automotive repair shop. User-friendly design. Make your website clean, professional, and easy to navigate. Provide important information up front, such as contact details and services offered. Use high-quality images and consistent branding to build trust. Mobile responsiveness. Ensure your website looks and functions well on mobile devices. With more people using smartphones and tablets, a mobile-friendly design is crucial for accessibility and better search engine rankings. Search engine optimization. Implement SEO strategies to improve your website's visibility in search engine results. Use relevant keywords throughout your website content and regularly update it with informative content. Optimize your site's loading speed as well. Online booking and contact forms. Make it convenient for customers to schedule appointments or contact you by incorporating online booking and contact forms on your website. Keep these forms user-friendly with clear instructions. Social media integration. Leverage social media to engage with potential customers and increase brand awareness. Integrate your social media profiles into your website by adding sharing buttons or embedding feeds. Regularly update your social media accounts with relevant content. Online reviews and testimonials. Encourage satisfied customers to leave reviews on platforms like Google, Yelp, or Facebook. Display these reviews on your website to showcase your expertise and customer satisfaction. Local listing and directories. Register your shop with local online directories like Google My Business, Bing Places, and Yelp. Ensure your business information is accurate and up to date. Local listings improve your visibility in local search results. By implementing these tips, you can establish a strong online presence for your auto repair shop. A well-designed website, optimized for search engines, integrated with social media, and backed by positive reviews will attract new customers and position your shop as a trustworthy authority in the industry. Embrace the digital world and watch your business thrive in the competitive auto repair market. Want more Shop Talk? Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as well as follow our other social media platforms for more free content to help your shop reach its greatest potential.